In this video, we're going to be talking about everything that you need to know about Apple Notes to master it. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what you need to understand is to master Apple Notes, you need to leverage its deep integration for capture, so quick notes, control center, also rich media like scans, audio, sketches, links, organizations like tags, folders, pinning, and so on, and advanced features like collaboration, text formatting, and even more. So let's just get straight into it. So first things first, as soon as you open a new note, it's going to look something like that. And then on the top that you're going to have a little navigation bar. This is where you can select all your type of text, so you can choose title, heading, subheading, body, and so on. You can also go ahead and choose points if you want to go ahead and add check marks to it, right? You can also go ahead and create a table. Not just that, you can also add a new recording right over here if you want to. You can also attach files, photos, take photos, scan document, add sketches, and many more. And this is my by far the most favorite tool right over here, which is going to be the AI. So let's just say, for example, I want to start with a title. Let's say this is YouTube, right? And now I can go to the body part and make sure it is body, and then just write all right. And now if I want to go ahead and enhance those, or let's say, for example, if I want to add an image, I'm going to simply go ahead and then simply attach a file. Let's say, for example, I want to add that, right? So let's just attach it. And there you go. You can also make this very organized. So let me just click on this and then I'll give it a friendly tone. And then as you can see, it's going to change the entire thing right over here. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.